back to my new vlog. I'm not uploading videos nowadays because my tests are going, because I'm not making videos and not uploading. So today we're getting Hot Wheels. So today I was discovering Hot Wheels in the Amazon. There were no Hot Wheels in the Amazon. So let's play with the Hot Wheels. I have to put it on the stand so it's hard to play with them without the stand. I've changed my position. Now I'm going to show you my first Hot Wheels. This was my first Hot Wheels in 1988 Camaro. This one was the Hot Wheels, which was my first one. Now let's show my second one. This is the second one. It is a, let's see on the back, because I don't know what is it. It's a 69 Chevy. And my third one was, this was the third one. It is a custom-made Hot Wheels. We are going to test the speeds, which one is faster and which one is slower. And now let's check the fourth one. This one was my fourth one. It is a custom made too. We have two custom made Hot Wheels. And my fifth Hot Wheel was a helicopter. Let's just dump all. And my sixth one, I don't know which number is this. This was my fifth one or sixth, I don't know. So this was a custom made one. And now let's see the next. This is another Camaro, which was my seventh Hot Wheel. And now let's see my eighth. This was a custom car. I don't know what is the name. It has no name. It was just made. Now let's find my last. This was my last one. You can see it is this one. So we've checked all Hot Wheels. Now we're gonna check their speeds. I've created them into a row. These are Hot Wheels. We're gonna see which Hot Wheel is gonna win. This is the first row, which were my first cars. And this is the second row. This is the first row, you know. This is the second row. And this is the third row. So let's get with the first row. And this is the board. Now let's start the challenge. Now let's start the race. Let's go with the first row. 1, 2, 3. We've got the 3 cars. Now let's check their speed. Big notice, these have spikes. Plastic made spikes, which bend like this. I've arranged all cars in the floor. I'm gonna push all these 3 cars. We're gonna see which car has the best speed or which car has the slowest speed.
Round 1.
Now let's start with this. Okay. Push. 3, 2, 1, send! That was a collide. The red one came first. Almost hitting the track, but hit the door. He won first. Now let's put row number 1 on the track. Now I'll write on the board, red one is first. red one is the first. Now let's do row number 2. I've arranged row number 2. In row number 1, this car won. Now let's see which one in row 2 is gonna win.
Round 2.
3, 2, 1. Let the race start. Well, it's a tie. No, the silver one is first. Okay. This one was the first of the winner in row 2. Let's give the winner a prize with row number 1's car. Let's do Now we have the last row, those 3 cars. If one win, those are the champions of the match. Then all Hot Wheels will do the race. Then we'll have the biggest tournaments. The 4th one is all cars. The last one is gonna be the tournament. So let's start.
Round 3.
No one win. The white one did. Oh, I forgot. The white one won. So now the white one goes into the winner's row. Now this is the last challenge. Let me write white. You don't understand this, YouTube, but this is white. Now, all the cars would go. Let's go and take all of the cars. Now we'll do the tournament with all these 3 cars which won. So, hit the move and go. This is the tournament round. Let's take a run.
Final round.
So, the silver one won. This is the silver car who won the race. So guys, if you love the video, like, subscribe, and please click the bell icon. Here is my Instagram ID. You might log in, it's just free. Just put in your ID. Bye.